Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening X Photokit and granting camera and library access so the app can read and save images. Tap Import Now and choose either one photo or batch mode. That gets your files into the workspace immediately. Once done, enable Auto Enhance only if you prefer fast fixes, because it applies contrast and color automatically. Make sure to name the import group for easy retrieval. This prevents duplicate work and keeps your project organized as you move to editing. Now you dive into editing. Open layers to keep non-destructive changes, which lets you revert anytime. Adjust white balance, exposure, and crop. Use 0. 5 increments for subtle improvements so skin tones and highlights stay natural. Once you have a base, apply healing for spots and mask specific regions for localized contrast or color shifts. As you work, toggle the layer visibility to compare versions, because seeing before and after helps you decide which tweaks actually improve the image quality. To finish, tap Export and pick JPEG, PNG, or TIFF depending on your quality needs. Choose resolution and compression to balance file size and fidelity. Save a project file as well so layers and masks remain editable later. Once exported, verify the image in your Photos app. If export fails, check permissions first and confirm the app has storage access. Also free up space or restart the app. If issues persist, re-import a copy and repeat the last step to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.